Hello students, parents, families. My name is Mr. Ryan Call and I teach physical science here at Shawnee Mission West High School. If you're watching this video, then you've already found the link on Canvas for Back to School Night. Welcome. Canvas is, of course, one of the main ways that we'll be pushing information out to students and to families this year, so I'm glad you found it. Take a look around. On the home page for this particular class, we make it very easy for students to join each day using our WebEx link. And then there is what we call the Daily Deal. The Daily Deal for students and for families gives you an in-depth look at the material covered every single day in class with links to videos and to assignments and to discussions. It's all right there in the Daily Deal. So if you are a parent interested in what's happening in class, or a student tuning in for the day, or a student that has missed the day and is looking to make up work that it comes from the past, the Daily Deal is kind of a one-stop shop for all of that information. This class, in some sections, is co-taught, and so if you are in Block 2 or Block 4, I'd encourage you to also watch the second video, Back to School Night number 2 on Canvas, from my co-teacher, Ms. Flora. On the homepage from Canvas, you'll find a few things that can be accessed throughout the semester, one of them being the syllabus, and also some information about me and Ms. Flora regarding our background. This class is a physics and a chemistry class, all kind of smashed into one. We spend the first semester studying chemistry and the second semester studying physics. It's meant to be an introductory class for a student that might want to take the year-long chemistry or physics classes down the road, or for someone that is interested in simply trying each of those sciences out and not necessarily taking the year-long class. So we hope that students enjoy those two subjects and enjoy their time in physical science this year. In the syllabus, I'll point out a couple of things that you might find of interest. My contact information is located down near the bottom with my email and my daily schedule. Email is probably the most reliable way to get a hold of me and get a quick response. My telephone number here at West is also included there, and policies regarding late work, missing work, and test retakes. I tend to be a pretty fair teacher, and so any student or any parent or guardian that has questions or concerns, I encourage them to reach out and let me know what I can do to help. So if you can find Canvas and you can find my contact information, then there really isn't anything we can't answer or handle down the road. I hope you have a wonderful evening and enjoy the rest of the school year.